Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Recuva File Recovery Manager or Recovery Utility on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial for you guys today. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but as usual, I'm going to open up Google Chrome and navigate over to Google. Now that I'm on Google here, I'm going to type in Recuva and then download. So Recuva download. And one of the best domains for this download should be from ccleaner.com, the makers of Recuva, or Puriform more likely, but ever since CCleaner has been purchased by Avast, I guess it's no longer made by Puriform. But anyway, so we see Recuva, the free version, no support, which doesn't really mean too much for us. But we can see we have a couple different places we can download the file off of. So I'm going to personally select the ccleaner.com server here, but you can select File Hippo as well. They're both safe downloads. It's only about 5 megabytes, so not too big. Once it's done downloading, just left click on the file once until you get the user account control window. Make sure to verify publisher in here, and then left click on yes. So at this point we see we have the Recuva version 1.53 setup. By installing this product, you agree to our license agreement and privacy policy. At this point, I'd recommend left clicking on customize and just make sure the options in here match with what you're looking for. So for example, if you did not want to add a desktop shortcut or did not want to automatically check for updates, you could deselect these options in here without too much of a hassle. Otherwise, just left click on install to finish up. And at this point, if you want to view release notes in another web browser window, you can keep this checkmarked. Otherwise, you can just run Recuva by itself and basically just follow along. It's trying to allow us to recover files right here because it's the first time we're opening it up. So that's why we're seeing some of these prompts. But otherwise, this application has been installed, as you can see. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.